share with you exactly what Agenciez is and what exactly it is done, who can use this product, and whatever the question coming in your mind. I am going to be reviewing this amazing Agenciez product. Okay, so I'll be giving you a full demo of this product, as well as I'll be sharing the my own experience with it. So I want you to watch this video full and stick at this video so that you can get 100% out of this video. So let's look at the dashboard and the official dashboard of Agenciez. So as you can see right now, once you will in the dashboard, the interface is going to be look like this. You can download your agency theme here. Let me make one thing clear here. So I have provided you a link in the description. Once you will be clicking on that link, you will be redirected to the official site of Agenciez, and you just need to come on that link and you will be able to purchase it through that link. Okay, so let me tell you first what exactly Agenciez is. So basically it is the world's #1 professional website builder that allows you to build WordPress website and e-commerce stores. So you can create any website in just 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so there are multiple things that you are going to get inside it. You are going to get sell easy website with big profit store, bookstore. You can create bookstore, coaches. You can create spas. You can create website for gyms. You can create website for cakes, etc, etc. It have more than 100+ niche. As you can see right now, it's more than 100+ niche. Okay, so let's look at the dashboard of Agenciez. So once you will be clicking on that and you will be clicking on the link on the description, and once you will be purchasing this, then you will be getting this dashboard, and then you just need to log in through your email ID. Okay, so basically once you're in the dashboard, it is basically a WordPress theme that you need to download to your system. So you just need to click on here in this button. So step number 1 is to download this theme, and then you just need to do some few simple minor editing in your website, and your website will be live in just few minutes. Okay, so in the dashboard section, you just need to click on that link. Then you can upload this theme. Once you will click on that download button, you will be you can upload that theme to your WordPress website. Okay, so you get done for you. You can create logos and content as well here. So as you can see right now, there are several logos and themes out there. So you can content as well as web content, DFI, blog posts. So these are the blog posts, logos, content, everything that you need to upload to your website. Okay, so it's done for you agency here. Okay, so you can watch that done for you training site training program, so that you can watch that to understand it exactly. Okay, so let's look at the dashboard again. So I have shared with you the dashboard section as well as the download agency. So this, once you are clicking on the download agency, you can download this theme here, and in the content section you can find logos, contents, done for you stuff, so that you can post them to your website. You just don't need to write any content. And in this section you can create and you can get the training program. So marketing material, so you can get your marketing material here, you can get content here. In the library section, you get your files, stock images. You can also get stock images so that you can upload them to your website. You get also some stock video so that you can also upload them. Let's say bird. Let's search for this. So right now, search for ultimate stock images. So you can go and get your you will find your license key here. So you will be able to get to your license key. You can create your, in the bonuses section, you will be able to get multiple gifts by this amazing product Agenciez, so that you can get free gifts with Agenciez. So you can get your button and all the stuff. And by the way, this is in a review account, so that's why I'm not able to get multiple options, and it have some limited features. Okay, so let's look at the sales page, the official site of Agenciez website builder. Okay, so I have provided the link in the description. You just need to click on that link. Then you just need to click on this get instant access now to Agenciez. Let me open it, how the checkout page look like. So it have a 30 days money back guarantee, so that if you got any problem with this website builder, so you can get your money back to your state bank account. It have multiple payment options, so you can check that out as per your as the payment method that you like. Okay, so and you can also use this coupon code. It have a different coupon code, so get 11% discount on your purchase, so that you can get 11% discount as well. And here you can purchase it. Okay, so basically this is all about the let's say the what it is exactly Agenciez is. I have shared with you, as well as I have given a demo of dashboard. So let's look at exactly build a professional pro level website within just 3 easy steps. Choose a theme, customize it, and publish it, and create a profit and get your profit. Okay, so basically it's in a website WordPress website theme, so that you can use it, done for you theme. So you just need to do some minor changes, and it is just for around some few dollars, so that you can create more income. You can use it as a freelancer, web designer, web developer, as anyone, if you are a blogger, so that you can use it to get some profit. Okay, and you can earn through this as well. And here is the wait. So here's the difference between the professional and a commercial license. So I'll be sharing you that. Please go with the commercial license, because it's the most popular, and you are going to get multiple features as well as just benefit. This personal one is for around $32, and this professional one is around for $37. This is just $5, and you can get the upper versions as well as multiple features inside it, because in a commercial license version, and these are the vendor of this product, and they are the co-founders of this. They are selling it. Frequently asked questions, so you can read them at all, so that you can get everything to know about it. So this is in a quick and a fast and a great demo, and as well as in a review of Agenciez. And if you want to purchase Agency theme builder or a website builder, so it's basically a theme, and that allows you to create websites. So I have provided a link in the description. You just need to click on that link, and you will be able to purchase this through that link. Okay, so if you love this video, please like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload multiple videos like this on daily basis, so that you can get 100% out of your life. Okay, so this is all about Agenciez theme builder review. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for checking out my Agenciez review. So let's meet on next video.